Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, Susie and I bought some Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Mills. We bought this just as a present to ourselves because when we went RVing, we threw our old ones away and we didn't remember that we did, but we missed them. So we bought a new set, and this set is cooler than our last set. It's really cool. And let's show you what. So, we already cheated. We put the batteries in. On one of them. We put the batteries in the pepper. And I'm going to show you how to put the batteries in the salt. So, we already got the salt in the container. How you put the salt. So the batteries go in here. And to put the salt in, you just unscrew it there. And you put it in there. And just screw it back in. And then you just take your batteries and you put them in there. It takes 6 AAA batteries. And of course, the springy end always goes on the negative side of the batteries, in case you didn't know that. And there's 3 on this other side here.
And batteries are not included.
Oh, that's true. Susie just brought up a good point. The batteries are not included.
Neither is the salt and pepper.
And neither is the salt and pepper. That goes. I would hope that goes without saying. So you do have to buy your salt and pepper and the batteries. And then you just put this back here and you just line up that arrow right there. So we've got a Lee here there. So you line up that arrow and then just lock it over that. So then you have a very nice looking salt and pepper. And you might think to yourself, that's a very cool salt and pepper shaker. Really nice, very sleek. It is, but wait, there's more. So let's do we're gonna do this pepper on this napkin, right? So we'll go right into this. So what's very cool about these is, what's different is when you turn it over, it lights up. So you can actually see what you're putting pepper on. How cool is that? The other thing is this adjusts to adjust your grind. So if I tighten this up, I'm gonna put up a smaller, it'll grind up smaller here. So it's a little bit finer. Very nice, huh? It's a little bit finer there. So, and then we're just going to put the salt right here on this black table. And that's pretty coarse. I wouldn't want it that coarse. So I'm going to crank that down. And we'll do it back up here. You can see that's way finer right there. Isn't that cool the way it lights? Very nice. Look at the difference between the 2 piles, me tightening it up. Much different. Very cool. I would say go out and get your Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Mill set. Get it for yourself for Christmas.